Welcome to another edition of Masterclass with Ron K. Today I'm going to be taking you how to register an artist inside ITAAW platform after you've registered. If you don't know how to register, we already have we have a masterclass for that. You can check it out on the other page, but here we're going to show you how to register an artist. Very straightforward. So let's go. The first thing you need to do is to log in. So you come to login here, you click login, and then you can now put your details. All right, this is the account we just created, so let's log in. Let's sign in. Okay, now, so this is the first thing you see after signing in. If it's fresh, it might be different for you if you're already using the system, but if it's the first time, your very first time of ever logging in after registration, this is what you're going to see. Nothing, zero stream, zero payments, no services, no top country, nothing. So this is what you're going to see. So for you to create an artist, you will come to catalog and releases. You click on catalog and releases, and it opens up to a lot of things for you. So you click on artists, boom, and then you have the original name you used to register. Now that's what you see initially, the name. So for you now to add the real artist name, so this is, don't worry, these are just about the initial registration process. It has nothing to do with you being an artist, so don't get it confused. So you leave that, and then you see this button right here, add artist. You click on that and you put your artist name. So I'm going to use an artist name that's already existing, that already has a profile on the music stores. So I'm using Yovi. This is optional. IPI number is for the IPI of is a number that is associated with songwriting. So I think I would suggest at this point for you to leave it alone. All right, so the country is Nigeria, and then you save. So when you save that, that creates the artist UV. Now this is how you create your artist. You can see, very simple and straightforward. A very important thing I need to discuss here is UV is already an artist that is existing on different platforms. He has songs on Spotify, Apple Music, and stuff. So if at this point you are a new artist that has not been doesn't have any profile on Apple Music, Spotify, or any of the music stores, then you don't need to do anything anymore. But if at this point you already have an existing account on Spotify, Apple Music, then you might want to put the URL of your profile on all these platforms in ITAAW so that we can recognize exactly where to put your music. So, okay. Now, what we need to do is come here, outlet profile, and then we are required to put Spotify profile URI, not URL, URI, the Apple Music profile ID. That's for existing people that already have music on all these stores. So to get the Spotify URI, just watch me. I go to open.spotify.com. Then it opens up the player, the web player for Spotify. You search for your name. In this case, I'm searching for Yovi. And and then UV comes up. You click on UV, and then there is these three buttons or these three dots right here. You click on that, and you click on share. What you have here is copy link to artist, which is not what we need. Now, for people using Mac, what you need to do is to click on Alt and Command button on your keyboard, and then you can see that it changes to copy Spotify URI. So if you click on that, you will be able to copy your Spotify URI. But for people using Windows, just click on Alt and Windows together. Alt and Windows together. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Alt and Windows together, then you can click on Spotify, copy Spotify URI. So once you've copied that, you go back to ITAAW, you come here and you paste, and that's your Spotify URI, not URL. Then SoundCloud Go, there's no access for me to use SoundCloud Go in Nigeria. We don't have SoundCloud Go, so I can't just go to SoundCloud in Nigeria. So, but another place to go is Apple Music. All right. So I'm going to music.apple.com. I'm going to search for UV. Okay, this UV the artist. So this is UV on Apple Music. So this is him. There's another three dots here. You click on share. You click on share, and you click on copy link, and then you go to ITAAW Apple Music Profile ID, and then you put that, and that's it. Then you click save. With this, okay, profile ID 029. Okay, so the ID is the last digits, the last numbers on the link. So you delete the link, the last numbers there is the ID, then you save that. So that makes it possible for us to list your music properly on all the music stores. All right, this is very important for artists that already have existing profiles. But for artists that don't have existing profiles, you know what to do. Just leave everything after you created the artist, just leave it, and that's all. In the same vein, you need to create a label. A label is very important. If you don't have a label, you can always use your name. If your name is Yovi, you can say Yovi Records or Yovi Entertainment. So let's add Yovi Records. Please note the way I'm writing. Every first letter of every word is in capital. That is how to write a title. So UV Records. So you click that, and then you have it. So you've created the label and the artist, and then you're ready to go ahead and start your distribution process.